everyone, this is Onion. It's Wednesday, March 24th, pre-market. This morning I'm going to look over NIO with you. I'm going to look at some technical insight, short selling activity, and institutional holdings. With NIO, I like to use the 6-week chart. And as you can see here, yesterday there was one bearish indicator triggered momentum. It did touch the zero line. I'll show you that in a second. But you can see, like, basically the share price has just been following the 21-day moving average. I did mention before earnings, I did a video on it, that the fair value I see NIO at is in around $37.50, $38, and it looks to me, if this has just become a technical trade, here's your 200-day moving average. It's coming up here, and it should be getting close to the 21-day moving average in around the $40 mark. So that's where I can see the share price going, $39, $40. Again, that's going to take a few days to see if that's where it's going to go. But if it's just become a technical trade, that's what's going to happen. That's where I see it going anyway. Obviously, a press release can change that. The MACD it did cross the moving average, signaling a bullish trend. But you can see here it's starting to level out. And if it starts pointing downward, and if it crosses the average line again, then that will be another confirmation of downward trend. There's that momentum trigger there. It hit the zero line yesterday. And if you look at your relative strength, it's still, it's still 41. So if the share price continues to fall, it still has a little bit of room to go. And all the indicators right now are pointing downward. There are still a few that are pointing up. If we look at my program here, it gives a support and resistance line. These are your solid lines. I know there's quite a few in between, but 39.51. This is a solid support line. But it's going to be very difficult to get over 45.29. There's a lot of resistance there. If we look at the short selling activity, it's basically the same thing, every day, right? Mid to low 20s. It's really no surprise here. And every day it's the same borrow rate, 0.25%, and there's always 10 million shares available. So it will actually surprise me if this value ever changes. The institutional activity, there has been some activity here. There was one new filing, so institutional owners went up to 785 from 784, and there was an added 762,000 shares for institutional. So now the ownership percent of the float is 40.38%. I hope this video helps. Have a wonderful day and good luck.